Welcome, my friends. Welcome to another aimless adventure coming to you from the ocean. Oh yeah, I'm back. I can smell the salt in my nose, because where else would you smell it other than your nose? We're near Dunedin, Florida, not far from where I call home. And this is the causeway. Behind me you see a veritable cornucopia of kayakage. They rent them, they sell them, all that stuff. We're going to take a poke around and check out just a little something here. Maybe a little walk and talk. Not sure yet. Just winging it. Look at that. That's the ocean. Oh yeah. I love feel alive when I'm near the ocean. All right, enough of that. I think it's time we explore more. So let's do it. What's that? Oh, I thought those birds were saying something. They are. They're saying, thanks for joining me. Now let's do it. It's a wee bit gusty out here today, but I guess if you've got a sailboat, you can just pick up and roll at any time. It's not open right now, but when it is, this place is hopping, and the beverages are indeed dropping. Also, if you're looking for some used kayaks, they sell them. I don't know if it's these in particular, these tandems here, but there's the number if you're interested. I think these are, which brand is those? Which brand are those? I believe those are, I want to say those are Lifetime, but I could be wrong. See what else we got here. That looks like, oh, they're Perception. Or at least, yeah, no, they are. There's a Perception. Oh, and there's the actual name. I was like, I used to have a Perception, and I thought the logo looked similar or familiar, whatever I'm trying to say. These are Wilderness Systems. These are tarpon, I want to say 140s, because I had a 140 and I sold it. Yeah, these are 140s. What is this? I hear this. Whoa! They had no problem with me being here until I turned around with the camera. They have got a veritable cornucopia of kayakage. Look at that. No shortage. That bird at? What's up, bro? You enjoying this wonderful weather? A bit breezy, a little cool, but still Florida. High and dry grill. Can't bring your own stuff. And no domestic animals. I don't know if your emotional support alpaca is included in that, but there you go. Oh, I forgot to say it. This is the causeway here, just north of Dunedin, Florida. It's like our first crane and/or stork sighting of the week is underway. Bow-legged fella or fellaette. It's kind of chilling. Not a care in the world. Just kind of chilling. He's going places. That bird's been making a ruckus for 10 minutes straight. Now I throw the camera on, yeah, gone. Seagulls are cleaning themselves. At least that one is. This one here is just kind of moseying about. There's a few peeps out. A few other hooded Floridians, and them homies down there are just chilling. I don't know. Whatever, dude. Do your thing. You're not supposed to have beverages here or glass, but I have bad eyesight from that distance, so not my problem. There's a whole bunch of seals down there, like on that sandbar. And Florida man getting him further tan. Gonna look like George Hamilton, bro. Orange looks good on you. They've got all kind of watercraft over here. I think they're able to rent these when the place is up and running as well. Like those kind of catamaran style, as well as paddle boards, all kind of kayaks. Straight out ahead of us is an island called Caladesia. And if I recall correctly, you can only access it by a boat. So one of these days, I'm going to drop the old kayak once my back and shoulder get back into a functional state of being able to not have a lot of pain in them. I'm going to return to kayaking, Lord willing, and we will go out to Caladesia, which is straight out there. And then through the little separation there, you've got another island that kicks out. That is called Honeymoon Island. And there's a beach over there that is specifically dog friendly, which aren't too many. I mean, a lot of people knock Florida, but I'll tell you what, if you like being left alone, this is the place to be. People are cool with dogs, they're cool with you doing whatever you do, and they're not up in your business. And it's freaking beautiful. Always. You know, getting away from cities and all. Lots to do if you like the outdoors. Florida's awesome. That's a pretty sweet old Chevy. I like it. Old 350 Cheyenne action. It just looks pretty dang good with the ocean there. Just a minute ago, the young man, little kid actually, over at that black Jeep, reeled himself in a shark, small shark, maybe about a 1.5 2 footer, and pelican roamed over there like he wanted some of that action. That would be a first. I have not yet seen a pelican eat a shark. If you're going to get those steps in, why not do it by the ocean? So back mid-December, about December 12th, I started this new intake, primarily because, well, I was getting fatter and I got issues with my heart and my back's tore up, so, you know, all part of getting older, and suffered an injury at a job, so it was not good. But anyways, so I basically have cut out sugar almost entirely from my intake. Make sure that I'm not jamming up anybody's flow. So I stopped eating as much sugar as possible. When I do use sugar, which is pretty much only for coffee sometimes, cream, half and half, stuff like that. But I have no problem drinking it black. But I prefer it with cream and sugar sometimes. And my sister introduced me to this stuff called monk fruit. So I've been able to substitute sugar with monk fruit, and it works wonders. It's good. I mean, I don't really notice a difference. It may be a little less sweet, but that's okay. It's worth it, and there's no side effects. It's not one of those fake Splenda type things. But anyway, so that coupled with walking 2 to 5 miles a day, past a week or so I kind of dropped off of that a little bit, but now I'm back home. Weather's pretty nice. I mean, I'm wearing a hoodie in Florida, but that's still not bad. It's not freezing cold out. It's not raining today, but anyway, so some things I've decided to change up, and now I'm out here on this walk. Somebody behind me, so we'll catch up in a minute. At the top of that pole is a bird of prey consuming a large fish. He's not bothered by me being here because it's chow time. That beak is just snapping through bone. You can hear it crunching. Every once in a while it starts to slide off. Puts that big old talon on top, whack. Drags it back over and gets after it. I'm gonna hankering for some fish tacos now. It's always a good idea here in Florida to keep the old camera running because you never know what's going to pop up, fly by, or jump at you. Got a little sandbill crane over there. Clean it up. Who knows what you'll see over here. Starting to get a little chop going on over here. That's the causeway right there. This is the windy side of it. It's another little bird, or actually several, right over there just sunning themselves. A lot of chop. There's a pelican cruising. There's another one over there. It's starting to drop underneath here in the shade, obviously, but that wind's picking up. It's getting a little bit cooler. Check out the barnacles. Barnacles, just checking them out right there and there. If you cut those off, go in there with a little putty knife, cut them off, put them on a hook. Sheep's head. This type of fish, and they're good eating. They love that stuff. They're very smart though. They'll bite it from the bottom, and then when the good stuff floats out, they snatch it up, and you're left with nothing. And for today's walk, I just decided to pick a spot randomly. Had a MRI. That was fun. First time for that, but my back's pretty tore up, so I can walk and stuff, but it really limits me on what I can do for any duration. I can't kayak or anything like that, which sucks bad because that's my passion. And I'm actually in quite a bit of pain right now just from this walk, but I gotta keep on pushing. Hopefully whatever's wrong will be resolved quickly and I can get back to the normal routine, but it is what it is for now. That dude's got him a nice little view right there. So I parked over there. There's crosswalks and whatnot, but alright, since my back's tore up right now, I'm kind of hurting. I'm gonna go this way because I'm just parked right over there. But see, it's super windy on this side here. The wind is coming in from the northwest. But this is nice. It's free to come here. Honeymoon Island charges you to go in there. I don't remember the fee, like $8 or something. Florida state parks are cheap, so that works for me. But you can come here and post up. I usually post up if I'm coming over here. I'll post up and then back up, like I'm all backed up right there. And I'll just throw up a hammock, chill, cooler, chow, tunes, kick it. But on a day like today, when it's all hoodied out and jeans, probably better options. Just saying. Well, that's going to do it from this one. From the Florida Gulf Coast. Just a little relaxing walk and talk today. It's good to be back, Florida. So until next time, love one another and advance. picture on.